This alliance is before election. We are together. Even Telugu pride, all these things, it won't happen here. Even sometimes we supported even long back P.V. Narasimha Rao, Telugu man as MP. He became Prime Minister, we supported him as MP. That is a different issue. Here, we are in alliance. How can you expect that we can support other candidates?
But sir, opposition was raising such speculation that you
No,
will
what
be
I'm saying,
supporting
why, how can they do it? How can they expect? Is it right ethically to expect? I'm asking question.
They are
Is not correct.
questioning your support. They are questioning your support, saying that you are somewhere not loyal to the regionalism from your end.
No, regional Telugu Desam party is for Telugu community. That is a different issue. We are in alliance. Our party is having ethics, credibility. We have built this credibility over a period of 5 decades. How can I expect all these things? You know my stand from the beginning, not now. You may be new in national media. I am known to everybody for the last 4 decades.
But sir, it means they are going to cross the majority mark more than what NDA is having now with them.
No, if anybody will compare candidature-wise, he is the best candidate, everybody has to support.
But sir, in case if something they try to play the Telugu card in your region.
No, what I am saying, no, all those things, because of there is a clear majority. If the majority is there, it is a very dignified post. Why they brought other candidate now? Is it necessary? That is their politics. But we are not playing politics here. NDA candidate, we are having majority, we are going to win comfortably.
Sir, was this your courtesy visit or it was been asked by the NDA High Command to come?
No, why? It is my duty. I came to Delhi, I want to meet him, I want to extend my support. I met him. These relations are not today. It is not a new relations. I know him from the beginning.